Hello guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating to you a garage door opener. It's a Genie Pro Max garage door opener. Here's the garage door itself. And this is going to be a short demonstration of how this works. First of all, come over here. Here's the open and close buttons. So this one's pretty basic. But, focus, sorry. And I'll be showing you how this works. So, just sit back and enjoy. And I'll be opening and closing it for you a couple times so you can see this. Let's go ahead and put the camera on the tripod. And, actually I'll just carry it myself. And this one's pretty basic, like I said, but we'll watch it open and close. Right, close it. See, it's dark now. Open it. I'm going to do it one more time. Close it. And open it. And there's the thing up here, and that will be it.